you like a girl. How do you approach her?
I don't.
Why not? Why not?
I wouldn't. I have a girlfriend. Because I've never done that, man.
That's a little scary when you look at a woman and go approach her directly. But I suggest you smile at her first. If she smiles back at you, that's a sign she's interested. And then probably when she's alone or if she's sitting somewhere, just go say hi to her and introduce yourself.
I won't do that in my dreams too, you know. You're trying to scare me right now.
I would just go and ask her name and what does she do.
Okay.
That's it, I think.
Would you use a pickup line? Would you
No,
go
I
talk?
wouldn't. I mean, I would just be direct. I would just
Tony
know.
would sing her a song because Tony's really good at singing.
How well has it worked out for you till now?
Why not? She would.
For me, so far it has worked out well. What I normally do is, if I think I have seen that face somewhere,
Hey, baby, he's singing what? That's gonna be creepy.
Do you think pickup lines work on girls?
No.
Never?
Definitely
Never
no.
at all?
Especially these cheesy, weird pickup lines, no way.
I don't like any pickup lines, please. No.
Say hi instead of doing a cheesy pickup line because that doesn't work all the time. I don't think it works most of the time. It's just do not work, nowadays unless they're too new in the market, right?
Yeah, okay. A cheesy line maybe something. What is it? Yeah. So, so it's a beautiful place, but you're not as beautiful. That's really cheesy, but yeah.
Well, it's worked well for me, so.
So you end up getting the number and everything.
Sometimes, I mean, it doesn't always work out, but like, if the conversation was good enough, if I could start a good enough conversation, it's happened.
If someone finds you pretty, if someone's approaching you, and how do you want them to approach you?
He shouldn't look desperate, obviously. He should like make it really smooth and come nicely and make it like very
Come and
casual.
swing by.
I think something as simple as just specifying what's nice about her should be good enough. Like, if she had pretty eyes, I'd definitely let her know she had pretty eyes. I wouldn't use some cheesy pickup.
The boy who's a genuine, like who can genuinely be a good friend, then I like those kind of.
Yes, it should be very casual. As long as it's conversational, casual, it's cool.
It will be a good smile. So if you get a smile back.
I'll let you know that your friend here has a very beautiful smile. If I'm trying to approach her, you don't think I would approach her?
You
The
should.
question is, how can you like a girl while looking at her? How would you like her without knowing what nature does she hold?
So I want to go and know what kind of nature she is, right?
That is what you do.
So what do you want me to come and do?
Pickup lines. They don't go. They don't go for this approach thing.
So would you like it first of all if it happens?
No.
So he has to follow you to a cafe or
He may not follow me, but if I'm sitting in a cafe or any eatery for that matter, then yes, I wouldn't.
Do girls check out guys?
Yes, they do.
Sometimes I want if the guy is hot. Yeah, if they're good looking, yeah.
So how do you make sure he knows that you're checking him out? You're interested.
If I don't want him to know that I'm checking him out, I wear my glasses, shades.
To probably walk around or try to do something that gets his attention on. Yeah, no, not directly. That's just too cheesy. No, I would probably, go up to him and
I'll directly look at him like.
Would you ever go and approach the guy?
depends. Yeah, depends.
Depends on what.
Depends how good looking the guy is. Looks don't matter. Actually.
Girls are mystery, I'll tell you. These are complete mystery. They don't give you a stare or anything. There's something in their antaratma. There's something in their conscious. They know it that they like them, but they won't approach them ever.
Okay. So the girl never approaches a guy. Is there a stereotype that cannot be broken?
It can be broken.